Have you ever wondered what the world's healthiest people eat to kickstart their day? Breakfast isn't just about filling your stomach. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to power through your day. The foods you choose in the morning can significantly impact your energy, focus, and overall health. In today's video, we'll uncover the 10 best breakfast foods that the healthiest people in the world swear by. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also share 5 breakfast mistakes that could sabotage your health, ones you'll definitely want to avoid. Avocado has become a breakfast favorite for a reason. Its creamy texture isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients that your body loves. Avocado is rich in heart-healthy fats that help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, reducing the risk of heart disease. This nutrient powerhouse also contains more potassium per gram than bananas, making it a fantastic choice for regulating blood pressure and supporting cardiovascular health. Its healthy fats keep you full and satisfied, helping you avoid overeating later in the day. To balance your breakfast, pair avocado with protein-rich foods like eggs or Greek yogurt for a complete, energizing meal. Now that we've covered the creamy goodness of avocados, let's move on to a breakfast staple that's as delicious as it is nutritious: Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt isn't just a breakfast add-on, it's a nutritional superstar. With nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt, it's perfect for muscle repair and growth after an overnight fast. Protein also keeps you feeling full longer, preventing mid-morning hunger pangs. But the magic of Greek yogurt doesn't stop there. Its probiotics help maintain a healthy gut, supporting digestion, immunity, and even mental well-being. These friendly bacteria create a balanced gut environment, reducing bloating and boosting nutrient absorption. For the healthiest option, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. Add natural sweeteners like honey or fresh berries to elevate the taste while keeping it healthy. Speaking of fiber and gut health, let's talk about a warm and comforting breakfast that stood the test of time: oatmeal. Oatmeal is more than just a cozy breakfast. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber, oatmeal helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates. Its heart-healthy benefits are undeniable. Beta-glucan binds to bile acids in your intestine, lowering LDL cholesterol and reducing your risk of heart disease. Plus, oatmeal's slow digestion provides sustained energy throughout the morning. Stick to a portion of about 40 grams, or half a cup of dry oats, to enjoy these benefits without overloading on carbohydrates. Top your oatmeal with fresh fruit or a handful of nuts for added nutrients. Now, if you're looking for a breakfast option that's high in protein and perfect for muscle repair, let's dive into the benefits of cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a protein-packed breakfast choice, ideal for maintaining muscle mass. Its slow-digesting casein protein releases amino acids gradually, keeping you full and energized. Beyond its protein content, cottage cheese is rich in calcium, which supports strong bones, teeth, and muscle function. Its bioavailable calcium is easily absorbed by the body, making it a top choice for overall skeletal health. Pair cottage cheese with fresh fruit or whole grain toast for a balanced, satisfying breakfast. While cottage cheese is a fantastic source of protein, another classic breakfast food deserves a spot on this list: eggs. Eggs have earned their place as a breakfast staple for good reason. Each egg is packed with 6 grams of protein, including all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. This protein supports muscle repair and metabolic function, keeping you energized. Eggs are also rich in choline, a nutrient vital for brain health and memory. Despite their cholesterol content, recent research suggests that eggs don't significantly raise cholesterol levels for most people. Enjoy eggs boiled, poached, or scrambled for a healthy, satisfying start to your day. From protein-packed options, let's move to a breakfast favorite that's loaded with antioxidants: berries. Berries, like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are bursting with antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. They're also rich in vitamin C, supporting immune health, skin integrity, and collagen production. A serving of 1/2 to 1 cup of berries adds natural sweetness to your breakfast without excessive sugar. Toss them into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a delicious and nutrient-rich start to your day. Now let's explore another powerhouse breakfast option that combines healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients: nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation. They're also rich in magnesium, vitamin E, and zinc, essential for energy production, skin health, and immune function. Add a handful of almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, or flax seeds to your breakfast for a nutrient boost. Sprinkle them on oatmeal yogurt or whole grain toast for a satisfying crunch and long-lasting energy. Speaking of whole grains, let's move on to the next breakfast food: whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is a healthier alternative to refined bread, offering complex carbohydrates and fiber that keep you energized throughout the day. It's also rich in B vitamins, magnesium, and iron, supporting heart health and overall vitality. Choose whole grain bread with minimal added sugars or preservatives and pair it with nutrient-dense toppings like avocado, nut butter, or eggs for a balanced breakfast. Now, let's look at a fruit that's both convenient and packed with nutrients: bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, which regulates blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. They're also high in vitamin B6, essential for brain function and mood regulation. A medium-sized banana makes a convenient breakfast option on its own or as a topping for oatmeal or toast. Its natural sugars provide quick energy, making it perfect for busy mornings. Finally, let's explore a drink that complements these breakfast foods perfectly: green tea. Green tea is a nutrient-packed beverage rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Its combination of caffeine and L-theanine promotes calm alertness, giving you a gentle energy boost without the jitters. Enjoy 2 to 3 cups of green tea in the morning to support metabolism, brain health, and overall well-being. While the right breakfast foods can set the tone for a productive and healthy day, making poor choices in the morning can have the opposite effect. Let's dive into 5 common breakfast foods that might be sabotaging your health and energy levels, and why you should avoid them. At first glance, sugary cereals might seem like a quick and easy breakfast option, especially with their colorful packaging and enticing flavors. However, these cereals are often loaded with refined sugars and lack essential nutrients like fiber and protein. When you start your day with sugary cereals, your blood sugar spikes rapidly, giving you a quick burst of energy. But this is followed by an inevitable crash, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and hungry soon after. This blood sugar roller coaster not only affects your energy, but can also lead to overeating later in the day. Instead, choose whole grain or high fiber cereals with minimal added sugar. Pair them with unsweetened Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts for a balanced, nutrient-packed breakfast. Pastries and donuts may look tempting on a busy morning, but they are among the worst breakfast choices you can make. These treats are typically made with refined flour, trans fats, and large amounts of sugar. While they might provide a momentary pleasure, their lack of protein, fiber, or healthy fats means they won't keep you full for long. The sugar and refined carbs also contribute to a rapid rise and fall in blood sugar levels, leaving you sluggish and craving more unhealthy snacks. If you're craving something sweet in the morning, try a healthier alternative like a homemade whole grain muffin or a slice of whole grain toast with almond butter and a drizzle of honey. Flavored yogurts often appear healthy, but they can be deceptively high in added sugars and artificial ingredients. Many flavored yogurts contain as much sugar as a candy bar, undermining their potential health benefits. Consuming these sugary yogurts can lead to a quick energy spike, followed by a crash, much like sugary cereals. Additionally, the artificial flavors and additives can irritate your digestive system or contribute to inflammation over time. A better option is plain unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can add natural sweeteners like fresh fruit, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor without compromising the health benefits. While fruit juices are often marketed as a healthy choice, many store-bought varieties are no better than sugary sodas. They are typically stripped of the fiber found in whole fruits, leaving behind a high-sugar, low-nutrient beverage. Drinking fruit juice causes a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, which can lead to an energy slump later in the morning. The lack of fiber also means you'll feel hungry sooner, increasing the likelihood of snacking on unhealthy foods. If you enjoy the taste of fruit in the morning, opt for whole fruits instead. They provide the natural sweetness of juice along with fiber and additional nutrients to keep you full and energized. Pancakes are a breakfast classic, but when topped with sugary syrups, they can quickly turn into a nutritional nightmare. Traditional pancakes are often made with refined flour, which lacks the fiber and nutrients needed to keep you satisfied. Adding syrup, usually made with high fructose corn syrup, only compounds the problem by contributing to a significant sugar load. This combination of refined carbs and sugar leads to the same blood sugar spikes and crashes as sugary cereals and pastries. If you love pancakes, try making them with whole grain or almond flour for added nutrients. Top them with fresh fruit and a dollop of Greek yogurt instead of syrup to make them a healthier, more balanced choice. Avoiding these 5 breakfast foods can prevent energy crashes, sugar cravings, and long-term health issues like insulin resistance or weight gain. By replacing them with healthier options like oatmeal, eggs, or Greek yogurt, you can start your day on a stronger, more nutritious note. Your breakfast should nourish and energize you, not leave you hungry, tired, or craving more sugar. Making small changes to your morning routine can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Which of these foods are you cutting out of your breakfast lineup? Let us know in the comments below.